How to set default message timer on 90 days on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set default message timer on 90 days on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner, and then click settings, and now click this one, account, and here you will find privacy, and then just scroll down until you find default message timer. Just click on it and then select 90 days and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.